Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it has been 5 years since the first video that I posted here about how to download the ebook from Bookboon. So I'm very happy to come back and let's see what has Bookboon done to their website and what are the free contents you guys can get from there. So let's check it out together. Alright, so here's the link. So it's the same website as 5 years ago that I have done in the video. So click here, it will take you to bookboon.com. Just click accept and continue. So here's the new look. What you can see from Bookboon is the new interface, and there are two main categories for you. One is for the university students and the other one is for the people in corporate in a company. So if you are a student, no worry about the at work option, just go to at university. In here you can find free textbooks written by professors from the world's top university, all on one easy to use online ebook platform. So in case you haven't got an account already, you just sign up for free ebook. And I will tell you the process on how to sign up later. But for now, let's go around and explore what are the contents and ebooks they have here. So as always, they would recommend you the most popular ebook on their website here. And also there are some groups, some types of major or subject like digitalization and IT, economics and finance, also engineering. Alright, so if you want to focus or maybe in one subject, you can also search in here. For example, if you are an English major student, you can search for English grammar book, and here's the result. These are English for economics and business. I still can't speak English. English for English speakers. Okay, learn English. So there's pretty much everything on Bookboon that you can find, and it is for free. So I will go to learn English, and I will show you how to download the ebook. So what is new? What are the differences from 2015? In here right now, you can also read the book online without downloading it onto your PC, just in case you are running out of space on your hard drive and you want to save some more space. You can read online, make a bookmark on it, and then come back again later. Okay, so if you haven't signed up for it, here's other steps to sign up for the access. Click here. Alright, so here is the interface of the screen on how to sign up for the bookboon.com account. So in here, just put in your full name, email address, create a strong password, something like that. Alright, and just click create account and continue. Because I have already done this step before, so I'm gonna skip this and go to download the book. Okay, so here's after you logged in. So because I got the account already, this is my home page. And now let's search again for English book, English grammar. Okay, so here's the result. Now let's say we want to read this book first. Just click read, and the first page will show you the description of the book, the content, and also the review from the reader. Okay, so let's start reading. This is what I've been telling you. This is new. You can actually read the book online without downloading it. Very nice. Okay, so now let's go to how to download the book. instead. Okay, let's say I want to download this book, Advanced Gear. But this is for the pro version. Alright, let's go back and we find some more free version for us. Here's the button. You can click on download PDF. Alright, and save. Check your progress. Some books are just like 2 or 3 megabytes, or maybe up to 10 megabytes, depend on the graphics and also the pages of the book. So don't worry about that. Okay, so here you got one free ebook from Bookboon, and the book is very nice. The content is easy to understand. That's why I always recommend my students and my friends to come to bookboon.com. And for your information, I do not do this to promote Bookboon or what. I just love how they support us, especially the student, to get the free content and quality lessons. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment, or give some question. Maybe you want to know where else can I get the free ebook, and subscribe for the updated content as well. So thank you so much and see you guys.